Alright, museum collection. Last box, actually. I have more coming tomorrow. Last box going to Cody. Mike Trout autograph incoming. Well, there's Mike Trout right there. Mike Trout, Yadier Masahiro, and patch card number to 35, Dakota Hudson. Lou Gehrig to 150. Luis. Here's Fernando Tatis autograph. That one's to 50. 18 of 50, Fernando. Don't cry for me. Josh Bell, number to 50. Devers, Ramirez, and Bellinger. Victor Robles. He answered the door. Robles. 18 of 50. Double jersey autograph. Cal Ripken. Last box of the case. Will yield what? Quad jersey. Okay, Larkin and Schmidt. Oh, that's pretty cool. Another one of one. Roberto Clemente, quad bat one of one. So many one of ones today. So many. Bob. What about Bob there? Cody? Nice hit, man. Quad Roberto, game used. Game used bat. There you go. Pretty cool. Thanks again, Cody. I'll do that elite tomorrow.